Hi, this is your girl Bianca J, and I just wanted to wish everyone a happy new year and want to share a few words of encouragement. Do you see yourself happier in the new year? Would you like to be more successful? What type of goals do you have in mind? Would you like to travel more? Would you like to spend more time with your family? I think probably in 2021 we might want to see less of our family because we've been kind of sheltered in and have done a lot. But you know, this is the year 2021 is a year for prosperity and success. And so if you would like to see happiness, you would like to see a better you, all you have to do is write them down. And so two things I want to leave with you. Take time to write down some of your goals and ambitions and then develop a plan and put all out action. It's about being intentional. Success just doesn't happen. Most people who are successful are very intentional in their actions. So I want you to do that. And then the second thing is to share your goals, share your dreams, share your plans with someone as an accountability partner. 2020 was a great year for us from a business perspective. Unfortunately, we did lose some family and friends. And so, you know, it was a little sad because of those things. But people want us to continue to march and continue to make ourselves better. And a lot of people say, new year, new me. And I'm not saying that this year. I'm saying new year, better me. What can I do to take some steps to make myself better, exercise more, choose a little bit different diet, continue to push through from a business perspective. And then also, you know, I love to travel, so I have a lot of travel plans. But this year, I'm going to take some time to help additional businesses or people who have interest. Last year, a lot of people were hitting me up saying, Bianca, you know, you've always talked about digital marketing, you've always talked about online, and you've shared some things, but I really didn't take that serious. And after the pandemic in March, many businesses actually came to a halt. Many people were laid off. So I'm going to share some things this year, how to become that essential business or that essential worker to make yourself, you know, the indispensable employee or the indispensable business where you can grow and thrive. I said we had a really good year for 2020, one of our best years even through the pandemic. And so, you know, I've taken the week of Christmas off, and this week we've actually started hitting the ground running, starting to plan. I'll have some training classes come up in the next couple weeks to really talk about what are your goals, hammering in on those goals, writing them down, and putting an intentional plan, all out action to kick butt this year so that you can be successful, you can be happier, you'll have a better you. So again, Happy New Year, everyone. This is your girl, Bianca J in Atlanta, Georgia. Two things to do: write down those plans and then share them. And if you like to participate or share some of your plans with me, feel free to do some of those below. I'll be reaching out to people, or you can always follow us. My business is iRock Digital, IROCDIGITAL.com. Please go and put your name and email, and we get with you to, you know, help you really thrive and become a better you. So Happy New Year again. Peace and prosperity.